Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to prepare recipe which is very nutritious. In India it is called as Hulga. English name is horse gram. This recipe is nutritious and high protein content and healthy for healthy benefits. Sprouting the gram increases its nutritional values and makes it easier to digest. Ingredients needed for this Hulga curry or horse gram: we need 1 cup of horse gram sprouted, 1 onion chopped, 2 tomatoes chopped, mustard seed, cumin seeds, garlic and ginger paste, green chili sauce, turmeric powder, curry powder, red chili powder and salt to taste, and fresh coriander leaf for garnish. First step is to cook the sprouts of Hulga and horse gram. Heat the oil in pan. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and ginger garlic paste. Also add red chili sauce also. Fry it on medium flame. Once the ginger and garlic paste turns brown, add sprouted horse gram until it tenders. When the ginger garlic paste and green chilies are cooked well and mix well, add the cooked sprouted horse gram or hulga to the pan. Add coriander leaves and mix the all ingredients properly, allowing the flavors to combine. Horse gram or hulga is a highly nutritious and superfood in the traditional medicine, offering a wide benefits due to its rich content of protein, fiber, minerals and antioxidants. Key benefits of the horse gram or hulga are weight management. Second is diabetic control, kidney health, improved digestion, rich source of nutrients, antioxidant properties, liver health and respiratory relief. Because of its eating properties, Hulga recipe is especially useful in winter season. Horse gram soup or Hulga curry is a traditional and easily digestible way to consume this nutritious, especially when you have a cold or are looking for a light meal. After the initial cooking stage with a ginger garlic paste base, add more water or vegetable broth. Bring to boil. Cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. For the smoother soup, let it cool slightly and then take some part of horse gram or hulga in the blender, a portion of it, all the mixture using the blender. You can use it for the curry. After adding it again, mix it well. Reheat and Garnish with the fresh coriander leaves. Take the mixture of horse gram or hulga and peanuts in the mixture or a blender. Mix it for 2 to 3 minutes for the fine gravy. Add this gravy to the cooked hulga or horse gram. Mix the gravy properly. Add cup of water. Reheat it. Add salt as you like for taste. The mixture of horse gram or hulga, blend it at the low speed and gradually increase high speed until you reach the desired consistency, smooth for soup. Carefully pour the blended mixture back into the cooking pan. Reheat all the soup curry gently. Check the salt and spices. Add more liquid or water if you need it. Heat it till boil for 5 to 3 minutes. Once the blended to your desired consistency, bring the mixture back to gentle simmer few minutes to ensure it is heated through and the flavors are perfectly mixed well. Horse gram recipe or hulga recipe is traditionally consumed in winter due to its heating nature, which helps keep the body warm and energetic in winter season. Horse gram recipe or hulga recipe is also useful for those who are having kidney problems. Horse gram is well known for its diuretic properties and is traditionally used to help manage and prevent kidney stones by facilitating the flushing out of toxins. This recipe has high protein, iron and calcium content, makes it a powerful food for boosting immunity and supporting bone health. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Give this video a like and leave the comments below. Thank you for watching a video.